In this video, let's talk about how to use the Chase Checking's Waive fee feature. Now, if you're trying to avoid the waivers that you get or the fees that you get charged for your checkings account, there are a few criteria that you need to meet or the requirements that you need to meet in order to avoid it. So, for example, in terms of a total checkings account, if you also have a total checkings account, you will normally get charged $15 per month. Now, in order to avoid this, what you need to do is have at least $500 or more in qualifying deposits, which could be your paycheck, pensions, or government benefits. Secondly, you need to keep a daily minimum balance of $1,500 or more. And lastly, you need to maintain an average beginning day balance of $5,000 in total across all of your linked accounts. So it could be your Chase savings, your Chase investment. So the total of it needs to be higher than $5,000. So if you match these three criteria, you could waive off the $15 monthly fee. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.